Plans to bring Baltimore County Public School teachers and students back to the classroom are now on hold. Now, the superintendent last week announced that the teachers and staff must return to their classrooms October 19th. Now that timeline has been delayed. WMAR2 News' Mark Roper is there in Dundalk this morning outside the Battle Monument School. So, Mark, what is the plan now?
Good morning, Christian. Well, the new plan would bring teachers and staff back to school on November 2nd, but only at the 4 separate day schools like Battle Monument School here in Dundalk. Now, Superintendent Darrell Williams says he will continue to evaluate the pandemic to determine a new return to school date. Part of that approach includes a phased-in approach. Again, the new plan would bring teachers and staff back on November 2nd, starting with the 4 separate day schools in Baltimore County. These are schools exclusively for students with special needs, and those 4 schools are White Oak School, Ridge Ruxton School, Battle Monument, and Maiden Choice School. Students who attend those schools then will return 2 weeks later on November the 16th. Well, the head of the Baltimore County Teachers Union threatened to take legal action if the superintendent didn't reconsider his timeline. How much that influenced his decision is unknown, but he says the date when teachers will be brought back will, quote, be determined after review and collaboration. Now, it was just last Thursday when Baltimore County Superintendent Darrell Williams sent an email to Baltimore County teachers describing his plan to bring students, teachers, and staff back inside county school buildings. Teachers and staff were scheduled to return by October 19th, with small groups of students expected to go back to school a few weeks later by November 13th. But the president of the Teachers Association of Baltimore County said she was unaware of those plans and doesn't believe it's safe to go back to school just yet.
We are not convinced that all of the buildings are safe, that the airflow and the air quality is appropriate in all of them, and we don't want anybody to die. People are still dying from this virus, and health and safety is the biggest concern.
Now, as far as when teachers, students, and staff will be able to go back to school at all of the other schools throughout the county, that date is still unknown. But again, students here at Battle Monument, teachers and staff will be reporting to school not too long from now. We are live in Dundalk. Mark Roper, WMAR2 News.